So you were living in a house with your ex-wife and her new husband?
Yes.
Oh, no, I'm just wondering.
I know it's a strange situation, but we
Actually
actually.
seen that on TV, but okay.
But
Mr. Reyes, in cause number 2025 CR 0.
Whoa, pause for a second. This is classic courtroom procedure in action. Notice how the judge meticulously reviews the felony charges, the right to a jury trial, and the consequences of deferred adjudication. This isn't just legal jargon. It's your client officially giving up major rights. And check this, by entering a plea now, he's also risking deportation if he's not a US citizen. Anyone else feeling the tension? Imagine sitting there, knowing every word could change your life forever.
011977. Did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
yes,
Did you understand in that cause number, you have a right to have a grand jury review the evidence and make a decision on whether or not there's enough evidence to hold you over for trial, and also that your attorney has certain rights. Your attorney has the right to have the passage of 2 days once they are presented with the information and 10 days to prepare for trial. Did you understand?
yes,
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
yes,
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
yes,
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. And each cause number, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
yes.
All right, off the record, to the clerk. Adriana? Yes. I don't have the information in this cause number. Yes, please.
It's just the unofficial signed one,
All right,
unsigned.
and if you can make sure also, Adriana, that you have that.
Turned in the original one with the paperwork.
All right, we'll need to make sure that we have that before things are done. All right. Did you review the felony information with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes,
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
yes.
Counsel, in each of those, are you waiving the reading?
We are, Your Honor.
State in the cause number that is the felony information, are you proceeding on that information that's presented?
We are, Your Honor.
And the other cause number, are you proceeding on in the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we will waive count 1 of the indictment and proceed on count 2.
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, in each of the cause numbers, did you review the documents entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand them and did you sign them in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
And cause number 2025 CR 07562A. You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 2, 4 to 200 grams. 4 to 400 grams as a second-degree felony.
Okay, now we've hit the dramatic part. The judge is zeroing in on something that hits hard for anyone watching: marijuana in a child's bedroom. Even if our defendant claims he didn't know, the courtroom tension spikes because the stakes are literally about a child's safety. Audience, here's a question. If you lived in a house like that, would you speak up or claim ignorance too? This is where the moral versus legal lines blur, and you can feel the pressure mounting.
Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
yes,
And the felony information, you are charged with endangering a child through criminal negligence as a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
yes,
If you have plea bargain agreements with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, The fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. By entering into these plea bargain agreements, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cases?
Yes.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Reyes, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
I am.
Did you understand by entering into plea bargain agreements in each of these cause numbers, if you're not a U.S. citizen, you will be deported, not allowed re-entry, and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea in the felony information case, punishment is to be assessed at a $1,500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 007562A. And the other cause number, the state is proceeding on count 2. There's a $2,000 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication, and it will run concurrently with the previous case. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense?
It is.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, in the felony information case, the state is asking that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be 100 hours of community service restitution, no contact with Skylar Reyes, parenting classes, TAP evaluation, follow all recommendations in the MRT. In the indicted case, the state is asking that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours of community service restitution, the parenting classes, and moral recognition therapy. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state, and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes or no?
And here comes the wrap-up, but it's packed with heavy details. Deferred adjudication, community service hours, top evaluation, parenting classes, no harmful contact. It's a lot. Quick tip. This is where viewers need to pay attention because these terms dictate not just freedom, but how he interacts with his child. This is the court balancing punishment with rehabilitation. Notice how the judge emphasizes parenting responsibility. It's a life lesson as much as it's legal enforcement.
So you understood that.
Okay.
Did you understand that?
Yes.
Then, and cause number 2025 CR 007562A to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? In 2025 CR 011977, how do you plead?
No contest.
State any evidence.
For both cases, Your Honor, state offers as evidence, states exhibit 1 of all attachments.
We've had a chance to review both cases, Your Honor, and found no objections.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and cite it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand, again, that you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments.